Hello everyone. Today I want to share my views on history on the topic of phases of industrialization. Okay, in the previous video I have discussed the industrial revolution and the meaning of industrial revolution and the reason and causes or factors of industrialization, types of industrialization, and in this video I want to share my views on phases of industrialization and table of industrial revolution also. Okay, in the end I have already discussed the types of industrialization in the previous video, so I will start with the topic phases of industrialization. Okay, but before starting the topic, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like my video also. So starting with the topic phases of industrialization. As you all know, there are 4 phases of industrialization. Okay, and the first phase is started from 1951 to 65. It is the strong industrial base. Okay, it means that the industrialization base is very strong. Number 2, second phase started in 1965 to 1980, and it is the declaration and retrogression. It means that ups and downs are to be there. And number third phase is industrial recovery in 18th century. Okay, 18th. Okay, fourth phase industrial retrogression followed by an upturn and downturn. It means that there is ups and downs in industrialization in fourth phase. Okay, so 90s 1991 to 1992 to 1997 to 1998. Okay, so I have some questions also here. Describe the phases of industrial revolution. Describe the phases of industrial revolution. There are 4 industrial revolutions. First industrial revolution 1765, the second industrial revolution 1870, the third industrial revolution 1969, and fourth industry 4.0. Okay, so in this industrial revolution there is a very inventions. The steam engine is developed. There is a age of science and mass production. There is a rise of digitalization or digital technology, and world is wholly changed. Okay, so the next question is, what revolution are we in now? Today, which type of revolution we have? We have fourth industrial revolution. In the way of describing the blurring of boundaries between the physical, there is a development in physical, digital, and biological world, and it's the fusion of advances in artificial intelligence and robotics and internet of things, 3D printing, genetic engineering, quantum computing, and other technologies. It means that there is a advancement of many things like artificial intelligence, robot, internet of things, 3D printing, genetic engineering, like that. Okay, now the next question we started. What is the fifth industrial revolution? What is the fifth industrial revolution? Okay, the fifth industrial revolution can be summarized as the combination of human and machines. It means that the fifth industrial revolution is the combination of human and machines in workplace. And what about the third and fourth revolution? Third and fourth revolution were very hard on humans and hard on environment. It means that third and fourth environment is very hard on humans and environment. Previous generation had to adopt their lifestyle to what the machines could do. Okay, so it's the fifth industrial revolution. It means that fifth industrial revolution is the combination of human and machines in workplace, and third and fourth revolution were hard on human and hard on environment. Okay, causes of industrial revolution. Historians have identified many causes of industrial revolution like emergence of capitalism, European imperialism, effort to mine coal, efforts of agricultural revolution. It means that all are interlinked. Capitalism, imperialism, mining of coal, agricultural revolution, they are all interlinked. Okay, so these all reasons are to be caused industrial revolution, and capitalism is the main central part of the rise for the rise of industrialization. Okay. Now, I have a table. Now, I have a timetable of time period of revolutions. Time period of revolutions. As I have discussed earlier, that we have five industrial revolutions. So I have a table, time period of revolutions. First one, motive. First, this is the first industrial revolution, second industrial revolution, third industrial revolution, fourth industrial revolution, fifth industrial revolution. In the first industrial revolution, the motive is mechanization. Okay. In second industrial revolution, the motive is electrification. In the third industrial revolution, the motive is automation and globalization. And in the fourth one, the motive is digitalization. And fifth one, personalization. Okay, so it's the motive. And time, when did it occur? It occurred during in the first industrial revolution. It occurred during the 18th and 18th centuries, mainly in European and North America. Okay. In second industrial revolution, it started from late 1800 to start of First World War. In third industrial revolution, the digital revolution occurred around the 1980s. Digital revolution occurred around the 1980s. And in fourth industrial revolution started the 21st century. And in fifth industrial revolution, second decade of 21st century. It's the time period. Okay. And the production, which part is developed? Steam engine is replaced by horse and human power. It means horse and human power is developed in first industrial revolution. Second industrial revolution, production of steel, electricity and combustion engine is developed. Okay. And in third industrial revolution, computer, digitalization and internet is developed. And in fourth revolution, industrial revolution, artificial intelligence, robots, and internet things and blockchains, these are to be developed. And in fifth industrial revolution, innovation and purpose is to be made. Okay. And introduction, what is to be introduced in first industrial revolution? Okay. There is the introduction of mechanical production and facilities driven by water and steam power. And in the second industrial revolution, there is a division of labor and mass production enabled by electricity. In the third industrial revolution, automation of production through electronic and IT system. It means that in the third industrial revolution, IT system and electronic system is to be developed. And in fourth industrial revolution, robotic, AI, artificial intelligence, augmented to be the reality. And fifth industrial revolution, deep multi-level cooperation between people, human being or machines is to be developed. It means there is a combination of human being and machines in the workplace in the fifth industrial revolution. So this is all the table of time period of revolutions: first revolution, second revolution, third revolution, fourth industrial revolution and fifth industrial revolution. So it's all about the industrialization, time period of revolutions, phases of industrial revolution. So if you like my video, then share my if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share my video and like my video. Thank you.